Good morning, students. Today we will continue our chapter with the topic motion in a plane. Let us consider a particle is lying in xy plane. Let at any instant of time t, particle located at point P with respect to the origin of the coordinate frame. Let r vector represents the position vector of this particle from the origin. Now draw perpendiculars from point P on the x-axis and y-axis. Here PA represents the perpendicular on the x-axis and PB is the perpendicular on this y-axis. So OA is equal to xi cap, which represents the horizontal component of the position vector, and OB is equal to yj cap, which represents the vertical component of the position vector. Now by applying parallelogram law of vector addition, we get OA vector plus OB vector is equal to the resultant, which is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram. Here resultant is OP vector. So OP vector is equal to OA vector plus OB vector. Now the value of OP vector is R vector, which is equal to the value of OA vector is xi cap. So xi cap, and the value of OB vector is yj cap. So R vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap. So this equation expresses the position vector in terms of its rectangular components x and y. Next is show graphically the displacement vector for a motion in 2 dimensions. Write an expression for displacement vector in terms of rectangular components. Now what is the expression for displacement vector? Let us consider a particle is at point P at any time t, whose position vector is r vector from the origin of this coordinate frame. Let us consider at time t dash particle reaches at point P dash, whose position vector from the origin is r dash. So by using triangle of vector addition, OP dash vector is equal to OP vector plus PP dash vector. Take this equation number 1. Since particle moves from point P to point P dash within time interval t dash minus t, means t टाइम पे पार्टिकल p पोजीशन पे था और t डैश टाइम पे पार्टिकल p डैश पोजीशन पे था, तो p से p डैश तक कितनी डिस्प्लेसमेंट उसने कवर की, उसको हम रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट वेक्टर के साथ, दैट इज़ डेल्टा r वेक्टर. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ p डैश वेक्टर फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन नंबर 1 इज इक्वल टू OP dash vector minus OP vector. So PP dash vector is delta r vector, which is equal to the value of OP dash vector is r dash vector. The value of OP vector is r vector. So this displacement vector can be expressed in the rectangular components as, so delta r vector is equal to, now r dash vector can be written as x dash I cap plus y dash j cap, minus r vector can be written as x I cap plus y j cap. So delta r vector is equal to x dash minus x within bracket I cap plus y dash minus y within bracket into j cap. So delta r vector is equal to, so x dash minus x represents delta x, y dash minus y represent delta y. So delta r vector is equal to delta x I cap plus delta y j cap. Clear? Take this equation number 2. Here delta r vector means change in the position vector. Delta x I cap means change in the horizontal component of the position vector. Here delta y represents the change in the vertical component of the position vector. Clear?